money, and a way of having pleasure superficially. You must have noticed all this too. So this is the country that's becoming dominant throughout the world. From Asia, from India and Europe, they all want to go to America, to the States. Not only to have more money, to have the capacity of invention, and so on. So, please, if one may repeat it over again, we are not experts, we are not professional. We are no way instructing you or telling you what to do, but rather, with great simplicity, with great affection, let us walk together. Together, either you walk very fast or very slowly, but together. Explore into the injustice of this world and inquire if there is justice at all. Why human beings hurt each other, kill each other? Why belief, faith, ideals are dividing people throughout the world? So one asks, as one must, talking over together as two friends, say, why have we become like this? It's not only in this country, it's right throughout the world. From the most primitive village in Africa or India to the most highly civilized, so-called civilized people. What has happened to us? Some may be thoroughly satisfied with what we are, especially if you are rich, powerful, have status and position, then you don't question these things. But if one is thoroughly dissatisfied, not in revolt, dissatisfied, I hope one sees the difference between dissatisfaction and revolt. If you are dissatisfied with which comes from observing things as they are actually, dissatisfied with all the things that man has put together, then you are beginning to inquire into it. But if you merely revolt against it, that revolt is merely a reaction. And we're full of reactions. Therefore, we never get any further. To observe is one of the most difficult things to do. To observe without any direction, without any motive, without any word, just to observe that tree, for example, without being caught in the word tree and all the implications of that word. if we so were able to observe ourselves and the world in which we live without any prejudice, without any conclusion, from any point of view, whether yours or mine or somebody else's. Just to look at it first. We see there is a great deal of misery, great deal of poverty. There are affluent societies like this country, though there is poverty in this country. There is war, nation against nation, tribe against tribe, ideologies against ideologies, the Catholic, the Protestant, the Hindu, the Buddhist, the Muslim, and so on. 2,000 years of propaganda of the Christians and 15 or 1600 years of propaganda of the Muslims and 2,000 or 3,000 years or more of the Hindus and the Buddhists. We are slaves to this propaganda called religion, called nations, and so on. So externally, our society is in chaos. In that society we live, which is degenerating and dangerously near. And so this is the external world in which we live. Obviously, one asks, who created all this external world? The society in which we live. Surely no divine hand has molded the society. The society is put together by each one of us through our violence, through our pleasure, through our fears and beliefs and dogmas, through our search for security in the family, the community, in the nation. We have created this society, each one of us. And there is no question about that. We have made the society in which we live. And there are the reformers like the communists who wish to alter the structure of the society externally. The socialists, the totalitarians, and also democratic people who through legislation and all the rest of it, want to alter the organization of society. When that organization fails, they invent another organization. You must know all this. So organizations, by reorganizing, is called progress. Right? I do not know if you have noticed all these things. Politically, religiously, and socially. It happens in the universities, colleges, in professional areas. But we never question